Okay, so we're gonna do 3 videos, I think. The first one is gonna be what the surprise is today. You ready?
Yeah.
What are you thinking about right now?
I'm thinking about something, but I'm not sure. I have no idea. I'm gonna hide my eyes and put it in front of me. Put it in front of me.
You want me to put it right in front of you?
Yeah, and then you're gonna see. A Sesame Elmo's house? Elmo's house?
Yeah. Sesame Street Lego?
Yeah.
What do you think about that for a Lego set? Did you know about that set?
No, I didn't think they could even make Sesame Street Legos. I want to build Elmo right now.
Yeah, all right. I knew you'd want to build Elmo immediately.
Yeah, and Cookie.
All right, I'm going to open this box up gently. Do you want to go get Elmo real quick?
Yeah.
Go get your Elmo.
Yeah.
Well, that sounds like a great idea.
Hey! Look! A teddy rabbit for Elmo. Look, a teddy rabbit.
A teddy rabbit for Elmo? Is that the teddy he has normally?
No, he usually has like a monster teddy. That kind of looks like Ernie.
Okay.
This is so cool.
Let's see if I raise this up and point it down here more so we can see what we're building. Oh, you want to sit down in the chair, please?
Yeah.
Okay. So what do we got here? We've got...
It's one of these.
Who do we got? I'll get with scissors. Who do we got? We got Elmo. Who else is on here? Elmo.
Elmo, Ernie, Big Bird, Bert, Oscar, Cookie.
Who's that?
Dorothy.
Yeah. All right. Let's see. Oh, there's a little handle in there, huh? Okay.
Yeah.
Why don't you please say seated. I don't want you to fall off that chair.
I think there's 2 boxes in this thing.
It has like an outer box because it's a nice ideas pack. Oh no, there's just one box. Well, let's open this up. What do we got in here? How much stuff do we got?
Oh my!
Holy cow!
This looks like a Minecraft bag. There's only pieces from Minecraft.
There's so much in here. It's stuck in here. There we go.
Doesn't these bags look like pieces from Minecraft almost?
Kind of, because of the color scheme, you mean?
Yeah, and then this plate.
No.
Hey, Elmo's in here! Bag 2, Elmo's in.
Bag 2, Elmo's in?
See his face?
I do see.
Let's construct bag 1 and 2. Can I have those scissors for a second? Can I have those scissors for a sec?
Yeah.
Can you give them to me so I don't have to stand up on the chair and
There you go.
myself?
Do you want me to open that gently? That bag?
I can.
You're okay with it?
I just need to cut a little piece of it off.
Okay.
Because then I can tear it open. I'm a monster. I just need to get a little piece of something off and then I can do it. Oh,
It's over here.
it's one of these books where the pages are black and it shows you different things.
Yeah, because it's an ideas set, so it's got a whole story about how they designed it and worked on it, I guess. How many pieces? 1,300. There's not actually that many pieces in this, though.
1,300?
Yeah, 1,367. That's not too many.
Yeah. Hey, there's 2 bags
wow. That's, yeah, you know what there are? Do you see this?
No.
Look right here. There's like a bag 6 and then a bag 6 with a period next to it. Decimal point. So that's how you tell the difference. So
There's a bag.
okay. Well, no, that one has a 6. That's just to say it's 6, I guess. That's what they think of it. 2, the 5s are both 5. Okay.
There's a bag 3.
4.
A bag 2. Another bag 3. Another bag 2 and a bag 1.
How many bags? Oh wait, I only see one bag 4 though. You see 2 bag 4s?
No.
All right, so we have doubles of every number except 4, but then we have this other random bag, which is just a random bag.
Yeah. So maybe they're taking away one of the 4s and making it as a random bag.
Yeah, probably. So if we have 2 of each bag and we have 6 of them, how many do we have? How many bags total do we have? 6 plus 6.
I don't know.
Think about it. You don't know? What's 5? Okay, what's 5 plus 5?
10.
All right, so what's 6 plus 6? It's just one more twice.
12.
Very good. Okay, so we have 12 bags for this build. That's a good number.
Yes.
All right, so
Construct bag 1.
do you want to start on bag 1?
Yeah.
That's the plan? Okay. Let me put bags 5, 6. I'll pile these aside for now.
Yeah. Get started. Bag 1.
Well, I thought maybe the first video, because we'll do a video, this was the unboxing video. I thought maybe we'll do a video where we do a whole build, but we'll do it in like stop motion so it's quicker. Because otherwise it's going to take us a while to do it, right?
No.
I thought you might want to just build the guys right now, like Elmo and stuff.
No, I want to build some of the set and all of the guys.
Okay, so we'll just start on bag 1 and then we'll get some guys.
Let's go up 3. No, I'm storing these over.
Okay.
I'm storing the 3s, 2s, and 1s.
Oh, you want to turn to section 1 then and we'll figure out what we're building? I don't know which one you want first here. Turn the instruction book, see what it says.
Yeah.
Do we need both bag 1s or just one bag 1?
So.
The one with Big Bird in it.
Yeah.
Okay.
So,
And we're gonna need that big base plate. You wanna get the big base plate?
yep. In here. We need both. We need both. We need both.
Yep.
These pieces.
Yeah.
So much.
They're almost Nexonite sized pieces.
Yeah.
Alright, bag 1.
Where's Big Bird's pants?
Might be in the other bag 1. Oh, you got them. Okay.
Yeah, but then where's his legs? Why is there a spider web?
His legs are in here. They're in the other bag 1. I don't know why there's a spider web. I don't know about spider web.
You think from something from Spider-Man.
It does look like a Spider-Man part.
We could use this for Spider-Man.
Okay. His legs were in this other bag here.
A spider?
I guess there's a spider on Sesame Street. I don't really remember the spider. Maybe the spider hangs out with the Count or somebody? I don't know. Or maybe he hangs out with Oscar the Grouch. I don't know.
Can we build all the minifigures first?
I thought you'd want to do that.
So let's go.
Okay, so that's Big Bird, and this is all bag 1. So let's keep bag 1. I'm just going to pull out the minifigure parts from bag 2. Okay. So Elmo's in here?
Yeah. Look how small their eyes are. I feel like Yayo should have made the eyes a little bit bigger.
The eye should have been a little bit bigger?
Yeah.
They're a little bit scaled down, too small.
Yeah,
Well, Big Bird's eyes, were they the right shape? But maybe Elmo's are kind of tiny? No, they're both kind of small?
Yeah.
Okay.
They kind of need bigger. The funny.
Let me see. Can I see Big Bird? Let's show him to the camera. So this is Big Bird. So what do you think about the Big Bird figure? Other than the eyes being a little too small, is the rest of it pretty good?
Yeah.
Yeah?
It's like camera.
Kind of soft. And there's little Elmo. Here, hold up. Here you go. What about the rest of Elmo? Is he pretty good? Accurate?
Yeah.
He's got tiny little legs?
His eyes are about the right size, but Big Bird's are way too tiny.
Okay, so on second thought, Elmo's eyes are right, but Big Bird's a little too tiny?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't
Is anybody in there? I
think every...
Nobody in there. Okay,
No.
let's put that over here.
That's good. Then Ernie's in.
Part of Ernie?
Ernie's legs are in here.
Okay.
Ernie's body's in here. Ernie's head and body are in this.
I'm impressed you already memorized the color of Ernie's feet without looking at the box.
I looked at the box when you didn't notice.
Oh, you looked right now? Okay. Because I wasn't sure. I wouldn't have been able to know that was Ernie or Bert's feet without looking at it myself.
Ernie's head's in
Ernie's
there.
shirt, body, and Ernie's head. And we have so many open bags now. I need some clips to fill it out. Bert's head is in there?
Yeah.
Cool.
And Bert's body.
All right, let's check for Bert.
Bert's head and body are in there. Check it. He has dark green legs. See if they're in there.
I think his legs are in here, I bet. I found them.
Hey, guess what?
And there's a dinosaur in here? What's that about? A velociraptor looking guy?
It actually belongs to Lego Movie 2.
Lego Movie 2? Oh, because there's velociraptors in that movie? That's right. All right, what else we got?
We've got Cookie Monster.
All right, let's look here.
And Oscar.
I don't think there's anybody in there. Like I see Cookie Monster in this bag 5 over here.
And Oscar's in this.
Okay. So let's get Cookie Monster out.
And there's several shots in here. There's shots.
Shots?
The things that you get that doctors.
Oh, like a vaccine shot?
Yeah.
Really? Like a little thing?
Yeah.
Huh.
There's
I wonder what that's about.
There's 5 of them.
Huh.
Open this egg so I can build Oscar.
Oh, you know, maybe you should wear your Oscar the Grouch hat while building this. What do you think?
It's too small.
Too small to fit you nowadays?
Yeah.
That's not his, that's not this, the garbage can thing. Where's the garbage can lid?
Where's, yeah.
What's it look like? Oh, is it just a regular gray piece? It might be this. Does it have handles on it? No, it's just a regular, okay. It's just one of these.
If this thing sits in there?
I guess so. Yeah, no, he has no body. He just sits in the trash can. Is that door? What is that? That part of the fire hydrant, or is that? Oh, that's a street lamp, I think. Look at the street lamp. See?
But he didn't really stay in there.
You don't, oh, let me see.
Somehow he.
Oh, there's something in that. We need a. There's something in the instructions. There's got to be something we're missing then.
Yeah.
Let me look.
Got that.
You want to turn to bag 6 in the instruction book and see what the part looks like that we need?
Yes.
Oh, and here's Elmo's little bunny. All right, let's look at the instruction book really quick. Yeah, I'll get it.
This is another one of those. This is another one of those sets. Giant, like Ninjago City.
Like the giant Ninjago City?
Yeah, but not quite as big.
So Oscar, oh, there's just a little.
What?
There should just be a little part in here that goes on him that looks like the same color as him. I just didn't see it when I first looked. It's kind of like a lime green color, right?
Yeah.
You know what? I don't see it though. Did they not send it to us? That doesn't make sense. Could be in another bag, maybe? Alright, wait a minute. Who's this? Is this Big Bird's teddy rabbit? Teddy bear or something?
Yeah. Teddy bear, not teddy rabbit.
Alright, you know what? Oh, you know what? There's 2 bag 6s, right? I bet Oscar's other part is in the other bag.
Yep.
That's why we can't find it.
Yeah.
I see it. There it is. Okay. We're just looking in the wrong bag.
Yeah.
Here you go.
It's a head. It's a Lego head.
It's the Lego head without any face on it, and that's Oscar's body. Now, does he fit in there good now?
Yeah.
Perfect. All right, let's show the camera him. I'm gonna put him home right here. Let me see. Oscar the Grouch in his trash can, being grouchy. He doesn't have a smile on his face, does he?
He once did when he was hanging out with Elmo.
He did one time when he was hanging out with Elmo. He had a nice smile on his face.
Yeah.
Oh, that sounds nice. So is he he's good friends with Elmo sometimes?
Yeah, but he still just like scram.
Yeah, that's like his favorite saying, huh? All right, so we've got Oscar. Who else we got?
Ernie.
Ernie's got a big smile on his face.
Elmo and Cookie.
Elmo and Cookie. And who's Elmo holding there?
His little teddy rabbit.
It's Teddy Rabbit. And then we got Cookie.
Yeah.
Cookie's got the googly eyes, sort of, pointing in different directions.
Yeah. Big Bird's Teddy.
Big Bird's Teddy.
A Velociraptor.
A Velociraptor.
Bert.
Bert.
Big Bird.
Big Bird. All right. What do you think so far of the characters?
Pretty good.
Pretty good, yeah.
So first step
I'm gonna start building.
we need is.
All right, I'm gonna pause this video really quick, and then we'll come back and start building. Want to say bye?
Bye.
Give a little wave.